In today's video, you will learn 7 important signs of brain cancer. Did you know that brain cancer is the 10th most frequent type of this disease? If you have one or more of these signs of brain tumors, you should pay attention. Headaches, nausea, vomiting, and blurry vision are just a few of the main signs of brain cancer. The symptoms depend on the size, growth speed, and localization of the tumor. Although it may happen at any age, it is more common after 60 years old. See 7 important signs of brain cancer. Headaches. Although common, headaches might be a sign of brain cancer. When intense and prolonged, or when they seem to worsen in the morning or during physical activities, it may be a sign of brain tumor. Numbness. Have you ever had a part of your body fall asleep? Numbness in most cases is innocent, but it can also be a sign of a brain tumor in the areas that control movement or sensations, causing weakness or numbness in certain parts of the body, usually in only one side of the body. Blurry vision. If you suddenly get double vision, periodic blindness, or inability to use your peripheral vision, pay attention to it. Tumors in the posterior part of the brain, or around the pituitary gland or optic nerve, may cause vision issues and hinder your sight. Personality or behavioral changes. Most people don't even imagine it, but in many cases, tumors can affect your mood and personality. These changes may be subtle, like memory loss, confusion, or trouble focusing. It is important to pay attention to these symptoms. If you notice any changes, immediately seek a doctor. It may mean a tumor in the frontal part of your brain, which can cause changes even in the language and thinking process. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Loss of balance. Are you tripping or falling frequently? Pay attention, as it might be a sign of a tumor in an area called the ganglia, which can cause abnormal movements and troubles with body balance. Trouble swallowing. A tumor on the brainstem can affect your chewing and swallowing abilities, and also the control of your facial expressions. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting are other common symptoms of brain cancer that may end up neglected. In this case, to be sure that you should seek medical help, write down the number of times you have stomach aches and if it could be caused by any foods you ate. If you have one or more of these symptoms, it doesn't mean you have a tumor on your brain or spinal cord. All the symptoms may have other causes. Still, if you show any of the symptoms mentioned before, go to a doctor to investigate and diagnose your case and start the treatment if necessary. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.